Good morning, good afternoon, good evening depending when you are watching from. I am Blessing. Today I will show you another method to do DIY gel nails extension at home using polygon form. Plastic without the normal paper form. Do well to watch and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.
Following blissful page, fun and entertain. Cool places to see, wonders for you and me. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All around the world, stories unfold. Every post a dream, more than it seems. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, 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 yeah. All around the world, stories unfold. Every post a dream, more than it seems. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Following blissful page, fun and entertain. Cool places to see, wonders for you and me. Wonderful sight,